The family remembers the Pope's kindness, a beacon of hope amidst the Syrian war's devastation. Their gratitude fuels daily prayers. Finding peace in Rome, away from bombs and fear, the Syrian family offers thanks for Pope Francis' compassionate heart. Rebuilding their shattered lives, the family remembers the Pope's embrace. They pray for his health and continued guidance for all. Gratitude overflows as the Syrian family reflects on their journey. Pope Francis' act of love remains a cherished memory in Rome. In their Roman home, the family finds solace, constantly praying for Pope Francis, honoring the man who gave them refuge. The echoes of war fade as the family integrates in Rome. Prayers for Pope Francis resonate within their new, peaceful dwelling. Remembering their perilous journey, the Syrian family offers daily prayers for the Pope. His compassion changed their destiny, forever grateful. With newfound safety, the family strengthens their faith, offering heartfelt prayers for Pope Francis, who helped them find sanctuary. The family expresses their deepest gratitude through prayer. Remembering Pope Francis, they hope his good work will continue globally now. Every day, the Syrian family prays for Pope Francis, giving thanks for his generosity and the chance for a new beginning in Rome. Leaving behind the horrors of war, the family embraces their new life, sending prayers of gratitude to Pope Francis constantly now. The family in Rome prays for Pope Francis' continued health, a symbol of hope after the unimaginable horrors of the Syrian war. Recalling their arrival in Rome, the family offers heartfelt prayers for Pope Francis, the shepherd who guided them towards safety. In quiet moments, the Syrian family remembers the Pope's act of kindness. Their prayers echo, a testament to his benevolent spirit.